Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some important compounds of transition elements. These include oxides and oxoanions of metals. Oxides are generally formed by the reaction of metals with oxygen at high temperatures. The ability of oxygen to form multiple bonds to metal stabilizes the highest oxidation state in these oxides, whereas halogens cannot do this because they cannot form multiple bonds with metals. Now you see from scandium, which has group number 3, to manganese with group number 7, the highest oxidation state in these oxides coincide with the group number and is attained from scandium to manganese. As the oxidation number of a metal increases, ionic character of these metal oxides decreases and covalent character increases. In higher oxides, acidic character is predominant due to high oxidation state. Now some important compound of this transition element. First is potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate is a very important chemical used in leather industry and as an oxidant for preparation of many azo compounds. Dichromates are generally prepared from chromate, which in turn is obtained by the fusion of chromite ore FeCr2O4 with sodium carbonate in free access of air. The reaction with sodium carbonate occurs as follows: FeCr2O4, that is chromite ore plus sodium carbonate plus free access of air, give rise to sodium chromate plus Fe2O3 plus carbon dioxide. The yellow solution of sodium chromate is then filtered and acidified with sulfuric acid to give a solution from which orange sodium dichromate can be crystallized. Sodium dichromate is more soluble than potassium dichromate. Therefore, we prepare this solution of sodium dichromate, treat with potassium chloride. If we treat the sodium dichromate solution with potassium chloride, we get potassium dichromate as insoluble crystals. Now orange crystals of potassium dichromate crystallizes out in this process. The chromates and dichromates are interconvertible in aqueous solution. Now you see, depending upon the pH of the solution, chromate and dichromate can be interconverted. If acidic solution, then this chromate is converted to dichromate, and if the solution is basic, then dichromate is converted into chromate. The oxidation state of chromium in chromate and dichromate is the same, that is +6. Now the structure of chromate ion and dichromate ion. The chromate ion is tetrahedral with CRO bond length equal to 166 picometer. Dichromate ion consists of two tetrahedra sharing with one corner as chromium oxygen chromium bond angle of 126 degree, and this bond length of CRO is 179 picometer at the corner, and CRO bond length of remaining chromium oxygen bonds is 163 picometer. Sodium and potassium dichromates are strong oxidizing agents. Sodium salt has greater solubility in water and is extensively used as an oxidizing agent in organic chemistry. Potassium dichromate is used as a primary standard in volumetric analysis as we do in lab. In acidic solution, its oxidizing action can be represented as follows: dichromate ion plus acidic solution, it is converted into chromium 3 positive and E naught is 1.33 volt. Thus acidified potassium dichromate will oxidize iodides to iodine, sulfides to sulfur, tin 2 positive to tin 4 positive, and iron 2 salts to iron 3. The full ionic equation may be obtained by adding the half reactions for potassium dichromate to these half reactions of reducing agents, that is dichromate ion in acidic solution, for example with iron 2 positive salts, it is converted to Cr3 positive plus Fe3 positive. Now the next important compound is potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Potassium permanganate is prepared by fusion of MnO2 with an alkali metal hydroxide, and an oxidizing agent like KNO3 is needed. This produces the dark green K2MnO4, which disproportionate in a neutral or acidic solution to give permanganate. Here the equation is MnO2 plus alkali metal hydroxide KOH and oxygen from oxidizing agent like KNO3, we get K2MnO4 potassium magnate plus water. These magnate ions in acidic solution disproportionate to permanganate ions plus MnO2. Commercially, it is prepared by the alkaline oxidative fusion of MnO2 followed by the electrolytic oxidation of magnate 6 salt. MnO2 fused with KOH oxidized with air or KNO3 give rise to magnate ion MnO4 2 negative. These MnO4 2 negative ion magnate ions then electrolytic oxidation in alkaline solution are converted into permanganate ion. In lab, a manganese 2 salt is oxidized by peroxodisulfate to permanganate. Manganese 2 salt plus peroxodisulfate, it is converted into permanganate ions. Potassium permanganate forms dark purple crystals almost in black in color, which are isostructural with those of KClO4. The salt is not very soluble in water. Its solubility is 6.4 gram per 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin, but when heated it decomposes at 513 Kelvin. Permanganate into magnate ion plus MnO2 plus O2. The green magnate ion is paramagnetic with one unpaired electron, but permanganate ion is diamagnetic. The pi bonding takes place by the overlap of p orbitals of oxygen with d orbitals of manganese. Tetrahedral magnate ion is green in color, whereas tetrahedral permanganate ion is purple in color. Acidified permanganate solution oxidizes oxalates to carbon dioxide, iron 2 to iron 3, nitrites to nitrates, iodides to free iodine. The half reactions of reductants are oxalate ions are converted into carbon dioxide, Fe2 positive into Fe3 positive, nitrite into nitrate, and iodides into free iodine. The full reaction can be written by adding the half reactions of KMnO4 to the half reactions of these reducing agents and balancing wherever necessary. If we represent the reduction of permanganate to magnate, manganese dioxide and manganese 2 salt by half reactions. So first is permanganate into manganate ion. E naught is plus 0.56 volt. And if we add acidic solution, then the permanganate ions are converted into MnO2 and the oxidation state changes from plus 7 to plus 4. If more acidic solution is added, then permanganate ions are changed into Mn2 positive ions and oxidation state is changed from plus 7 to plus 2 and E naught is equal to plus 1.52 volt. We can very well see that hydrogen ion concentration of the solution plays an important part in influencing the reaction. That is, in more acidic solution, the oxidation state changes more. A few important oxidizing reactions of KMnO4 are given below. In acid solution, iodine is liberated from potassium iodide. Iodide plus permanganate in acidic solution, it is converted into free iodine and permanganate is converted to Mn2 positive. Similarly, Fe2 positive ions are converted into Fe3 positive. Fe2 positive ions are green in color and Fe3 positive are yellow in color. In acidic solution, Fe2 positive is converted into Fe3 positive and permanganate ions are reduced to Mn2 positive. Oxalate ions or oxalic acid is oxidized at 330 Kelvin to carbon dioxide and permanganate ions are reduced to Mn2 positive. Hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur S2 negative plus 2MnO4 negative in acidic solution, Mn2 positive plus free sulfur. Sulfurous acid or sulfite is oxidized to a sulfate or sulfuric acid, SO3 2 negative, MnO4 negative, and in acidic solution is converted into sulfate and permanganate is converted to Mn2 positive. Nitrite is oxidized to nitrates. In neutral or faintly alkaline solutions, a notable reaction is the oxidation of iodide to iodate. I negative is converted into IO3 negative. Thiosulfate is oxidized almost quantitatively to sulfate. Permanganate plus thiosulfate is converted into MnO2 plus sulfate. Manganese salt is oxidized to MnO2. The presence of zinc sulfate or zinc oxide catalyzes the oxidation. Permanganate plus manganese salt converted to MnO2. Now, permanganate titrations in the presence of hydrochloric acid cannot be done as the hydrochloric acid is oxidized to chlorine. Now, uses of this compound: besides its use in analytical chemistry, potassium permanganate is used as a favorite oxidant in preparative organic chemistry. Its uses for bleaching of wool, cotton, silk and other textile fibers and for the decolorization of oils are also dependent on its strong oxidizing power. Thank you for watching.